Hello guys, this is Travelers Cafe. Our drone was hit by a bird during our Gardmo trip. You can watch that from our Gardmo vlog. Now onwards, I am going to explain how to change the propellers of Mini 2 SE. First, you hit the subscribe button. You can see these are the A propellers and these are the B propellers. So we have two pairs of propellers of the Alpha and Bravo. We are going to change both those propellers because our both A and B propellers were damaged during that bird attack. You can identify A propellers by that small mark near to the screw, and then there is no any mark near to the screw in B propellers. And clearly the packet also mentioned that A and B, other than the propellers, we got screws and the screwdriver. So here's the damage we have faced during that bird attack to our DJI Mini 2 SE. You can see how those propellers was damaged. You may think, what is this damage? This is small damage, but don't fly with any kind of a damage. Sometimes it may crash your drone and it can be a huge damage to you. Let's start changing the propeller. So I am getting these air propellers out of this packet, and it consists with 2 propellers and 3 screws. You can see there is a seal also in that screws. There is a mark on the air propellers here. So now we are going to change the air propellers. Changing the propellers, DJI recommend to change the both propellers because it's not good to keep good and all propellers together. I am taking out the screwdriver. It feels premium finishing for the hand. When you're removing screws, you should turn the screws anti-clockwise. When you tighten the screws, you should turn those screws clockwise. Okay, so I think this is tight enough. Good. So I am going to change the B propeller now. You can see there's a small damage here, the close view of the damage. Next I am going to change the B propellers. So this is the B propeller packet. I am gonna rip it and take the propellers out. These are the screws, same as the A propellers, and these are the B propellers. These propellers don't have that mark near to the screws. All the propellers have 3 screws. So one screw will remain as a spare. So same as B propellers also have to remove anti-clockwise. And when fixing it, you have to turn the screw clockwise. all the propellers fitted to the drone. Destroy these propellers because I can't use these propellers hereafter because these are damaged. So if I have to change the propellers again, I have to buy new pair of propellers. After fixing the propellers, you should check the propeller blades moving smoothly. If those blades don't move smoothly, that means those are very tight. Please subscribe the Travelers Cafe and hit the bell icon and stay tuned for new videos.